Today, we're reviewing a CNC machine that's becoming a popular choice on Amazon for woodworking, engraving, and small workshop projects. If you're looking for a machine that offers precision, stability, and good value for money, this CNC is definitely worth a closer look. Right from the beginning, the build quality stands out. The solid metal frame is designed to reduce vibration, which helps deliver smooth and accurate cuts. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, plastic, or soft metals, the machine stays stable and produces clean, professional results. In terms of performance, this CNC machine delivers reliable and consistent operation. The precision stepper motors provide smooth movement across all axes, allowing you to handle detailed engravings and complex carving designs with confidence. The spindle delivers steady power during long working sessions, and the adjustable speed control makes it easy to match the cutting speed to different materials. From fine text engraving to deeper carving work, the accuracy remains impressive throughout. Another strong point is how user-friendly this machine is. The setup process is simple, and the instructions are easy to follow, even for beginners. It supports popular CNC software like GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn, so you can start creating projects without advanced technical skills. This makes it a great option for hobbyists, DIY creators, and small business owners. Some of the key benefits include a sturdy build, smooth motor performance, good cutting accuracy, and excellent value for the price. The working area may feel a bit limited for very large projects, and for heavy-duty metal cutting, a spindle upgrade is recommended. Overall, this CNC machine offers strong performance, reliability, and versatility. If you're searching for an affordable CNC machine on Amazon that can grow with your skills, this one is definitely worth considering.